Hi everyone, welcome to English Coffee Time.
Hey there, good to see you again, or hear you again. I'm Neo.
And I'm Emma. If you're new here, this is English Coffee Time, a place where we talk in real, everyday American English, slowly and clearly, so beginners and intermediate learners can feel comfortable.
We don't rush. We speak naturally, like real friends talking, so you can relax, listen, and learn English the way it's really used.
All right, Neo. Today, I really want to talk about feelings. Not just the words, but real feelings from real life.
I love that topic. Feelings are something everyone understands, even if English is not your first language.
Exactly. And when learners can talk about feelings, they start sounding much more natural.
So let's start very simple. Emma, how do you feel right now?
Right now, I feel calm and comfortable. I'm sitting with my coffee, talking with you, and I feel relaxed.
Relaxed means your body and mind are not tense. I feel relaxed too, but earlier today, I felt stressed.
Oh, really? What happened?
I woke up late. I couldn't find my keys, then traffic was terrible. I felt stressed and a little angry.
That happens to me too. When small bad things happen one after another, I feel overwhelmed.
Overwhelmed means everything feels like too much at the same time.
Yes, one time I had work, family problems, and money worries all in 1 week. I felt completely overwhelmed.
How did you deal with it?
Honestly, at first I cried. I felt sad and tired. Then I talked to a friend and I felt a little better.
Talking helps a lot. When I keep feelings inside, I feel heavy.
Heavy is a great word for emotions, like your heart feels heavy.
Exactly. Let's talk about happiness. Emma, when was the last time you felt really happy?
Last month, when I visited my parents, when I saw them at the door, I felt happy and safe.
Safe is an important feeling. I feel safe when I'm with people I trust.
Trust makes a big difference. Without trust, you feel nervous all the time.
Speaking of nervous, do you remember the last time you felt nervous?
Yes, before an important phone call in English, my hands were cold and my heart was beating fast.
That's a very common feeling. Nervous means you are worried about what will happen.
After the call, I felt relieved.
Relieved means the bad feeling goes away, like pressure leaving your body.
Exactly. I took a deep breath and smiled.
Let's talk about excitement. Emma, what makes you excited?
Travel makes me excited. Before a trip, I can't sleep well. I keep thinking about it.
Me too. I get excited before vacations. Even packing my bag makes me happy.
One time, I was so excited about a trip that I arrived at the airport 3 hours early.
That's funny. Better early than late.
Yes, but then I felt bored waiting.
Bored means you have nothing interesting to do. Airports can be boring.
True, but then I watched people and felt curious.
Curious means you want to know more. I'm curious about people's stories when I travel.
Me too. Sometimes I imagine their lives.
Let's talk about sadness. Sadness is part of life.
Yes, last year I lost someone important to me. I felt very sad for a long time.
I'm sorry to hear that. Loss creates deep sadness.
Thank you. At first, I felt empty, like nothing mattered.
Empty is a powerful word. I felt empty once after moving to a new city alone.
Lonely, too?
Very lonely. At night, the apartment was quiet, and I missed familiar voices.
Lonely means you feel alone emotionally, not just physically.
Exactly. But slowly, I made friends, and the loneliness faded.
Faded means it slowly went away.
Yes. Now, let's talk about anger. Everyone feels angry sometimes.
Oh, yes. Once someone lied to me and I felt angry and hurt.
Hurt is another feeling.
It's like emotional pain.
I didn't yell, but inside I was furious.
Furious means very angry. I felt furious once when someone damaged my car and didn't say anything.
Did you confront them?
At first, yes, but then I calmed down.
Calm down means you control your emotions again.
Exactly. Anger feels strong, but it doesn't last forever.
Another feeling is fear.
Fear can protect us, but sometimes it stops us.
I fear public speaking. My voice shakes.
I used to fear flying. Every sound scared me.
What helped?
Learning how planes work, knowledge reduced my fear.
That's interesting. Knowledge brings confidence.
Confidence is when you believe in yourself.
I felt confident after teaching my first class successfully.
Proud, too?
Yes, very proud. Proud means you feel good about your achievement.
Achievement feelings are great. They motivate us.
Motivated means you want to keep going.
Let's talk about embarrassment.
Oh no, I have a story.
I'm listening.
I waved at someone I thought I knew. They waved back, but then I realized they were waving at someone behind me.
Oh, wow, that's embarrassing.
My face turned red. I wanted to disappear.
That feeling is embarrassment. We all experience it.
Now it's funny, but at the moment it was terrible.
Time changes feelings.
Yes, another feeling is gratitude.
Gratitude means being thankful.
I feel grateful when people support me.
I feel grateful every morning when I wake up healthy.
That's a good habit. Gratitude brings peace.
Peace is a deep, calm feeling.
I feel peace when I sit near nature.
Me too. The ocean makes me feel peaceful and small.
Small but connected.
Connected is a beautiful feeling.
What about jealousy?
Jealousy happens when we compare ourselves to others.
I felt jealous once when a friend got a job I wanted.
How did you handle it?
I admitted it to myself. Then I felt ashamed.
Ashamed means you feel bad about your feelings or actions.
Yes, but later I felt happy for my friend.
That shows growth.
Another feeling is hope.
Hope keeps us going in difficult times.
When things are hard, I tell myself, this will pass.
That's hope speaking.
Now let's talk about love.
Love is complex. It can be romantic, family love, or friendship.
I feel loved when someone listens to me.
Listening is powerful. I felt loved when my friends stayed with me during a hard time.
Support creates strong bonds.
Bond means connection.
Yes. Now, disappointment.
Disappointment is when reality is worse than expectation.
I felt disappointed when a plan was canceled last minute.
I felt disappointed when a movie I waited for was bad.
Small disappointments teach flexibility.
Flexibility means you can adapt.
Another feeling is inspiration.
Inspiration makes you want to create or improve.
I felt inspired after reading a book about courage.
I felt inspired after hearing someone's success story.
Stories are powerful.
That's why sharing stories helps language learners too.
Exactly. When emotions are real, language feels alive.
Alive means full of energy.
Before we finish, let's ask listeners something.
Yes.
Think about today. What feeling did you experience the most?
Was it happiness, stress, calm, sadness, or excitement?
Try to say it in English, even with simple words.
Your feelings matter, and your English doesn't have to be perfect.
Thank you for sharing this emotional coffee chat with us.
We love talking about real life and real feelings.
Take care of yourself and your emotions.
And keep practicing English through real stories.
Bye for now.